Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy. I am a close to my heart independent consultant, and today I am sharing with you a scrapbook layout. Now I have just joined the Australasian blog hop. This is part of what we're doing for this month, so we're actually sharing the Happiest Place Paper collection. Yeah, so if you want to pop over to my blog, I'll leave a link down below and you can check out everyone else's blogs as well. You just hop along to each other's blogs and check out what they've created with this paper too. Alright, well let's get started on my paper, my layout. Now I have already pre-cut all my pieces. So this piece is 5" and I'm going to pop it in the middle. I've also got this piece here, so I've got lots of different strips today. This one is 1.5". I'm using the zip strip, that's 1/2". I've got lemonade here, which is 1/4 inch, and then I've 2 strips of this lovely paper here with the shine on it, and they are 1/2 inch each. And this one is 1.5 inches too, and then this one is 2 1/4. Alright, so let's stick it all down. So that's my page at the moment. Yes, it looks a bit busy, but it's the reason that I've made it like this is because this is going to actually be the front page of my when I went to Luna Park. Because if you've watched my previous video, I said that I picked up this paper pack to do at retreat for Luna Park, but because I'm part of the blog hop and this is the paper we're using, I thought I'd create the first page to get myself started. Photo there. I'm going to have one there, and I cut this out on the Cricut and I popped up some of the little kernels to give it a little bit dimension, and I'm going to pop that there. And I've also got a journaling box, so we'll pop that down there. And then I've also cut it out on the Cricut some balloons, so this one's got #fun, and we'll pop them up in the corner there. And then I've got some ribbon to make stuff with, and I've also got my title, which I cut out on the Cricut, "Let the Fun Begin." So let's stick all of that down there, shall we? As you can see, when you start adding things to it, it doesn't look as busy. And when you've got your photos on there, it probably won't look as busy either. But it gives that thought of fun and excitement and a carnival kind of feel to it. So that's what I was going for with this. This is going to be like the string of the balloon. So I'm going to pop that under there, so it'll fall over my photo. And then I've got a piece here which I'm going to try and make a bow out of, so bear with me while I do that. I ended up using the longer piece to do the bow, and then I'll use the shorter piece for the string because I think it'll look better. So we'll stick it down like that. I'm actually going to use this glue to stick the bow down with. That's that part. Now I just have to stick our title on. Oh no, sorry, I forgot this little guy here is going here. I'm going to pop him up on foam tape too. And then we've just got the title to pop on. Alright, so I'm going to pop the title on a little bit wonky, because it adds to that little whimsical feel to it, so then, you know, I don't have to worry too much about being straight. The little dot for for the eye, but actually using tweezers. Tweezers are always handy when you got to try and do something like this. Close to My Heart used to sell tweezers, but they don't anymore, so these are just from a craft store. So, I've got the sticker sheet here, and I might add some, especially certain, like, I might add a couple of these stars here, because, you know, look how shiny they are. Like, how can you not want to put them on? I think that's my layout done. Alright, I'm pretty happy with it. Just make sure that you guys can see it all. Alright, well, I'm going to leave the video here. If you haven't already done so, I'd really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to add a little bit of sparkle to your day. Alright then, bye.